Chris Morrison, Morrison team with RETSY. We're out at 13739 North Campsite Court in gorgeous Adero Canyon. I can't wait to show you our latest Forbes Global featured property. Come check it out. The Carrera marble foyer draws you into the stunning open concept floor plan with clean lines accented by a blend of natural finishes. The great room is accented with custom modular rock walls that showcase the stunning legacy True View fireplace and high ceilings adorned with custom box beams. The chef's kitchen, complete with Wolf appliances, combines neutral tone cabinetry with limestone and Videra quartz countertops to create a timeless look. Enjoy breathtaking canyon views from the master suite with a spa-like bath including custom closets and vanities, Brizio hardware, and a large Fiore jacuzzi tub. With one of the most coveted floor plans in the community, this home boasts 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, as well as a casita with a separate entrance that's perfect for your guests. The 20-foot sliding glass wall panels frame the sparkling pool and spa that offer breathtaking views of Red Rock Mountain, Superstition Mountain, and the twinkling Phoenix City lights by night. Sitting atop the most premium lot in the Camelot Homes enclave of Adero Canyon, this soft modern masterpiece exudes elegance and warmth. Thanks for taking a look at our latest listing here in Adero Canyon. If you have any questions about the property or would like to schedule a private viewing, send us a message. And as always, you can find all the details about this property on morrisonteam.com.